Welcome to Activity 2. In this activity, we will be developing fluency, identifying the number that comes one after a number. For example, the number 1 after 5 is the number 6. To complete each activity on this board, you need one of each block from 1 to 10, placed in a jumbled pile within reach of both players. If you have original boards, please place them inside a write and wipe sleeve. The first activity is completed on the number track. To help me here, I have Karis.
Hello.
Now Karis, you're going to close your eyes. I'm going to flip the spinner and cover the number spun with a bond block. When Karis opens her eyes, she's going to say the number after this is this. So I'm going to cover up the answer. Karis, open your eyes. Can you tell me the number after this?
The number after 3 is 4.
And then I can check. Now you're player 2, so you record your number there. And that's the number 1 more. Good. Now it's my turn. So I'll close my eyes.
Okay, you can open them now.
Okay. The number after 2 is 3.
Correct.
Good. And I will record my score. Now, Karis, you won for that round because you made the greater number.
Yay.
When you have completed the activity and children have developed fluency saying the number after, repeat the activity using the words 1 greater than or 1 more than.